Hi everyone, and welcome to your next car and a walk around video for the 2015 320d M Sport Saloon in Astral Blue. Alongside a superb exterior colour, you will see it's been paired with the Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, as well as a set of the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels in Bi-Orbit Grey. Down the side of the vehicle, you can not only see this is an exceptionally clean and tidy 3 Series saloon, we've also got the gloss black sidebars as satin side vinyls. It also comes with the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. Inside this vehicle, again, all being very clean and tidy, we've got a full black Dakota leather. And in the front, we do also have the heated seat option, as well as electric lumbar support for both drivers and passengers. Once again, everything very clean and tidy in there. We do have the 7-speed automatic gearbox within this car, and I shall of course show you more of the interior features once we take a seat inside the vehicle. For rear passengers, you'll find a very spacious and comfortable 3-seat Isofix rear bench with that central folding armrest, and of course our darkened M Sport headlining. Before showing you the very rear of the car, we do of course show you the 19-inch wheels. Once again, really do suit the Astral Blue colour very nicely. High gloss rear boot spoiler, and then the same for the rear diffuser. And if you've not yet had a chance to see an F33 boot space yet, such as this one, you'll be very pleasantly surprised. And this one also does include a genuine BMW accessory in the shape and form of the boot floor mat, as you can see there. So that's keeping the boot carpet very nicely protected there. Round at the driver's side, you can see once again it's all very clean and tidy and looking really well with all of the additions we've made alongside that very popular Astral Blue. We shall now go ahead and take a seat inside the car so I'm able to give you more details of the interior features, beginning with the BMW business navigation and media screen we have. I'll also start the car up so we can show you more. There is the DAB listing we currently have. We've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including CD and a USB, AUX, and of course Bluetooth audio input. Another feature of Bluetooth is of course telephone. There is also the really user-friendly system in terms of sat-nav. Of course, it's always really important to make sure that the sat-nav system is really quick and easy to use when you are out and about. The last thing you want is an overly complicated system in terms of sat-nav. Certainly not something you're going to experience with the BMW units. This car has covered just over 46,000 miles. We've got cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls all situated on our multifunction M Sport steering wheel. Hopping back over to the car once again, you'll be able to see there that this vehicle has got BMW Service History, alongside not needing another service for 10,000 miles time. If we go back again up into the service history screen, you can see there that there is full BMW Service History. Thank you all very much for taking the time to watch this walk around. I do of course hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. And again, if you would like some more information on this vehicle, all you have to simply do is follow the links I will leave for you in the description. Thank you all very much. Do of course take care, and I shall of course, including all of myself and my colleagues, look forward to seeing yourselves very, very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.